Philippines. Like and share naman dyan at follow nyo si Crossfire Philippines sa mga update pa tungkol sa CFS pa din na rin sa laro mismo. We head into Ankara, our third official map, number 3. My God, pre. Kung last year puro sweep, nakakita lang tayo ng game number 3 pag playoffs na. Pero ngayon, group stage pa lang, men. Napaka-competitive na kasi 3 out of the 4 matches, di pa natin sinasama yung Motomac tsaka SGJ. Di pa natin alam kung ano mangyayari dun. Pero ito na pre, pangatlong mapa for this third best of 3. Ankara, PM and MJ. Sino ang magwawagi? Aldrin didn't even bother to pick. Ang gusto niya pre, wallbang ka agad. ZYK gonna get the second kill of this game as matches with now MZ and Rails down. Saan din sila patungo?
Pacific Macta have everything to prove here, man. Pero maganda yung performance nila dun kanina, and now that they are standing with a target on their backs, very possible dito na Pacific Macta will pull out all the stops. Now with 2 people down on the side of Matt Jess, mas madalis na makakapasok ng site, knowing isang tao lang yung makakapag bantay dito. Si Aldrin, si Frey, Loy answering back. It's such a strange map this one, no? Puro 1v1 yung nangyayari.
Okay, 1 minute.
Oh my.
Matt Jess, retake. Nakita natin kanina paano gumagawa ng milagro si Loy pati si A7J. Ang alas nga ba ng Matt Jess, which is A7J, ay magiging sapat para sa 3 buhay na veterano ng Pacific Macta. Justin speaks, gets 2 headshots, and blang, wala na ang Matt Jess.
Magandang gabi sa inyo, sabi ni paring Justin. Say good night muna. That's gonna be only round number 1. Maganda nga yung simula ng Pacific Macta dito, but now Matt just has to be able to answer back. They need to find a way to deny them of any further momentum. Kasi remember, when Pacific Macta gets going, it's pretty hard to make them stop.
Now, isang magandang simula for Pacific Macta. Well, the experience show early needs dito sa ramps. What a read by Pacific Macta. The second sense is now coming into full effect. Kaso nga lang, MBA will be getting a 1-for-2 in favor of MJ. Grabe nga yung pick up doon ni MBA. Ang kapalit naman si ZYK, pati si Aldrin. MZ and Loy. Si Loy na lang ang natira doon sa pag-pick out nila. And Rels now back again to his sniping duty. Loy picks out. And ang tagal bago niya mapaslang. Buti na lang nandoon si Revenge. And now, nakikita mo, pre, nakikita mo ba kung nakikita ko? Revenge holding an M4. Man. Sobrang rare sight. And Matt Jess in a 3v3.
Kaya na lang pagigihan to, though. Kung it's 3v3 nga, si Relso napakababa ng buhay niya. Pag-iingatan talaga nila to. I think the game now, the idea is that Matt Jess, they're gonna be playing for retake here. Justin and MVA finding a site over onto Frey habang ngayon papunta sila ng A site dito. Justin now with the flashes, everything being thrown out, all the utility. A7J barely alive right now as he has found the frag grenade in his face. Justin good for 1 more. Sila lang natitira. Oh, with the pistol, not even gonna get a chance to see the enemy team. Pacific Macta gets the second round here.
And now Pacific Macta will be having a total control as the blacklist, no? Knowing na sila naman ngayon na magdidikta ng pacing ng matches. Early pick here by Aldrin. Ooh! Parkour, man. Imba muna bago bumuelo. Kumukubra na ngayon ang pwesto ang matches. Sobrang lalim kagad din sa LA. Maagang aksyon at nagkabilang dulo ngayon ang labanan ng Pacific Macta. Isa naman sa LA, isa sa hotel. Grabe nga naman, matches ng Pacific Macta. Walang tigil ang pwestuhan dito. Matches with Frey and MZ just getting by the peak at mid. Kahit papano, naibawi nila ang pamalit ng PM.
Bawi daw. Kita mo si Loy, napakababa ng buhay niya dito, Pacific Macta. Actually closing in on the site that just happens to be empty. Si Rels missed the shot. Si Loy pala to. 1 more bullet onto this man. Even a singular frag from the frag grenade can't take him out. Pero ito na nga, he's not gonna be giving it any time here with Pacific Macta putting this bomb down once more. 3v3 pa rin ang ating kalagayan ngayon. Si Rels kailangan niyang umabante. putting down that sniper. The M4 now gonna be in his hands. A7J spraying down onto Justin. He's gonna be gone. But they're all so low, pare. One singular spray galing sa Pacific Macta. Pwedeng maging conversion into a round. But Revenge, he's a menace. He takes down two. Si A7J na lang titiras para sa side ng Matt Jess dito. Desperately trying to scale forward over onto the side with Revenge here. Trying to check every single box, and it's not going to be enough. ZYK cleans things up. Pacific Macta on the roll. The hat-trick 3 rounds in a row.
This is pulling a magic trick here for Pacific Macta. Akalain mo nga naman, no, MJ with the most optimal defense I have ever seen from them. Lalo na dito sa Ankara. The rotation is also good in terms of timing. And even suppressing Pacific Macta's position doon sa LA, napigilan pa nila kahit papano. Pero with the quick rotation of Pacific Macta to change of pace for them, parang iba yung ihip ng hangin sa A. Ayaw namin sa A. Bigla silang lumipat sa mid. And tsaka sila lumipat from hotel all the way to B. And nice for MJ to read that off. Pero si Loy, sisimulan ngayon ang susunod na round with this kill over to Aldrin. But I do think this position for Matt Jess will give them so much in terms of strength. Kaso nga lang si Revenge ang naging kryptonite ngayon sa pwesto ng Matt Jess. Loy gets taken down. And this is now a 4v4. Ito ang hinahanap ng Pacific Macta, men. Yung tabla ng pwesto nila.
Yeah. Pabayaan lang tayo dito ngayon si Revenge. Sabi natin kanina, deactivated siya sa map number 2. This man is fully back once more. 5 kills already on the scoreboard doing that. This is only round number 4, pare. Guaranteed kill per round para kay Revenge. Pero kasi napakabagal ng approach nila dito. Yung Matt Jess, napakahaba ng pasensya dito. Ayaw nila magpakita ng unnecessary na kahit anong information, knowing that we're trying to run down that clock. There's only less than a minute left. At ang ganda na pwesto ni Rails dito. But he turns the wrong way. Pacific Macta pushes on forward. Nakita siya. May konting information. Throws out the need to try and slow things down. The flash now out. He's gonna try to connect any of the bullets here. They're pushing off. There's way too many people in his face. MVA takes him down. And here, A7J aware of the presence with MZ. Trying to trade it out. Evening out the numbers here. MZ, good for a second. ZY here there for the trade. 2v2. And now, they have been spotted out. Can't put that bomb down just yet because it's still gonna be unsafe. But they are gonna be successful in putting it down. Frey pushing on forward. 4 box in his face. Revenge takes him down. Pistol to the dome. And A7J na lang natitira. 1v2 na lang habang nauubusan sila ng oras. ZYK. Revenge. Sino ang mamamayagpag? Not gonna be expecting him in that angle. Ganda na pwesto ni Revenge dito. A7J. He's gonna push all this pressure onto his face. But Revenge, even with the pistol, takes him down. Pacific Macta, they're continuing this reign of terror. And they're not showing any signs of stopping.
Paano papabagalin ng Pacific Macta ang Matt Jess play Crossfire? It's looking like pretty default for Pacific Macta. It's like there's something about their guns that speaks for themselves na Matt Jess cannot recover. Almost, no? Para Matt Jess always has the kills pero never enough to finish it off. Pacific Macta is converting everything to what essentially is super hard for Matt Jess, and that is getting those kills into a round. Matt Jess is just getting kills. Pacific Macta is at the same time getting those kills plus getting the position. Nararap around pa nila yung MJ, and because of the late entries of Aldrin and Justin, not even face-to-face pre. These fake outs are just hurting Matt Jess. And this will be getting out of hand habang wala pang sagot ang MJ. Pasok kayo na A7J! Tumingin sa entrance! Justin walks and runs over! 4v3, Loy gets flashed. Dali-dali ngayon ng Matt Jess sa pag-rotate. Loy will now be in fence. Justin and ZYK. Bantay sa lakay dito. There goes ZYK. He's gonna get Loy. MC and Reds na lang ang buhay. Pacific Macta. Can they absolutely do it? MC and Reds still running away. 21 seconds on the clock. This is the inevitable for matches. Inalaban ng alam ni MZ. Sobrang lapit na sana. Kaso nalayuan pa ang MJ. Pacific Macta. 5-0.
Good Lord, man. They're running away with it. Salvatore, ito na yata yung hinahanap natin na mabilis na tapos. Grabe yung Pacific Macta dito. Fully activated. The gods can bleed, but can they be killed? I don't think so, man. The way they're playing so far. Matt Jess, Gulelas, paparating. Tamang aggression. Galing kay MZ, walang nangyari. Taken down MVA. Now gonna be good for 2 as early as now. Pumaliktad yung mapa. Yung Matt Jess trying to play on the aggression, but it's not working out. Pacific Makta, so good, so patient, and they have a full read on everything that's going on. Justin continuing his reign of terror, but now Loy and A7J still alive. 2v3 with so much time on the clock. A7J gonna be stuck in one spot. Loy gets his revenge on revenge, and now we're evened up again. 2v2.
Matches with all of the advantages in the world, pre, para lang mag-hold ng site. Kaso nga lang, pre, yung pag-holdan nila ng site, apakalayo, pre, kasi nasa mid pa sila. Wrap-around play, ZYK sets up the trap. Pero Aldrin will now be anticipating them. Kaso nga ba, tama yung tinitignan dito ni Aldrin. Nagkakasalisihan lang sila
What
lahat.
What is happening?
Oh my God, just swabe!
Salvatore na to!
Oh my God, nakuha niya pa si Loy. Pre, I swear to God, that was the round of matches. That had to be the round of matches. Ray 7J, man. Ace player, ace player. Against CYK. 29. There goes the smoke. He might just be committing to this.
Si Aldrin.
And there goes, he might just commit. Pero nakita na si Aldrin. Ako na timingan na naman. Aldrin, grabe naman yung barang mo sa MJ.
Man,
he fought 2 caught lacking players of matches. 6-0.
Man, I am speechless. This is absolute insanity. Matt Jess, they're getting run over here. They're getting put through the meat grinder every round, pare. Just when you thought na baka manalo na sila ng round, biglang may kalokohang ilalabas si Aldrin. And now, double sniper setup para sa Pacific Makta. Paano makakalaban yung Matt Jess dito? Sinubukan nila maglaro ng aggressive. Hindi gumana. Ngayon, balik sila sa basics. Play defensive, play the numbers. But now, again, somehow Pacific Makta are finding the holes in their defense dito. Ngayon, tamang overthink muna. Pacific Makta playing it slow, looking out for the information.
Okay. MJ. Strong side. Pero binibigyan tayo ng Pacific Makta ng ideya, pre, na wala talagang strong side dito, men.
Wala talaga, man.
Wala talaga. And A7J, nice defense, man. And Rez is gonna get MBA. MJ, can they be back on the board? Kita mo naman si Reels nag-aasik pa rin ang dilim, as well as A7J nandun pa rin sa bench. ZYK, masyado nang magaling. Mare-regular ka niyan, idol. And now ZYK with a reposition. And he win! Actually, it's Aldrin gonna win over to MZ. Would have been a risky position for ZYK. Si Reels and Loy nasa loob pa ng sights. And there goes Revenge. My God! Pacific Makta just even it once again. Ay, nako, pre! Di
How is this happening?
Paano nangyayari ito, pre? Di ko alam talaga. Hindi ko alam. Pacific Makta. Ano ba? Ginawa nyo ng 3-minute break. Hindi ko alam. A7J gonna go for the 2v2. Duguan si A7J pa na rin si CYK. Disiplina lang. Aldrin. 1v2. He's gonna pick it out. Kaso na timing ano nga. And A7J caught lacking once again. There goes the flash. Aldrin gets full blinded. He's picking it out. There goes Aldrin. Hey, my God. Pacific Makta wins the 2v4.
Pare, just when you think it's gonna be over again, Aldrin in a 1v2, tale as old as time, round after round, this guy coming in with the clutch. There's 7-0 right now. Matches have so many things that are going wrong, and now, pare, papalit tayo sa halfway point. Malapit na tayo mag-switch ng sides, pero somehow, MJ wala pa silang kahit isang puntos dito.
Oh my God.
My God. My God, Salvatore, it looks like Pacific Makta have been blessed by God.
Man, isang prayer reveal naman, condition reveal naman para sa Pacific Makta. And there goes the NBA. We all know and love. One more. Speaker's advantage. Wala yun dito sa larong yun, pre. Walang gawa-gawa lang ng gobyerno at ng Illuminati ang Speaker's advantage, pre. My God, A7J, Revenge takes over the last kill. Pacific Makta
God.
8-0 over Matches. When I said this is a map for Pacific Macta in Matches, di ko naman alam, pre, na ganito pala yung kakalabasan.
Man.
Di man... Ito yung mga grade 5 na naglalaro sa playground tas ayaw palaruin yung mga grade 1, pre.
Sabi nga nila, give chance to others, kaso mukhang ayaw ng Pacific Macta ngayon. Tamang sipa-sipa lang, bato na ng bala sa kahit anong ulo. And now the Rels opens it up over onto Justin. That's gonna be one person down for the first time in a while. Merong advantage yung Matches. And it's high time that they finally get around here. If there's any time, it is now. The last round here before we switch sides. Loy gets revenge. That's gonna be the AWM player down on the side of Pacific Macta. 3v5, si Rels still trying to run around, trying to find any kind of information, holding off onto everything. ZYK though will find him. They will throw a warning shot in his hands.
It's a 3v4. This is 3v4.
3v4.
Strong side MJ. Literal pre. Lahat ng sakop ngayon ng Matches, kaya nilang pilasin up. Oh my God, pre!
Ano to?
Okay, eto na. Okay, this is now the round for Matches.
Man, pag si ZYK nanalo pa dito, hindi ko na alam.
I told you, pre, strong side ng Matches. Lahat ng kinupre nilang pwesto, kaya nilang i-expose kaagad ng Pacific Macta. Pero lang kay ZYK, kasi napakalayo niya talaga sa connector, pre.
1 minute. Yes, time.
Hey!
And finally, Matches, they finally get a point. Surely, they get a point and they finally do. Salvatore, I am losing my mind. What are we witnessing today?
And that's Pacific Macta.
Kinabahan ako, kala ko walang makukuha kahit anong point yung Matches dito sa first half, men.
And ganyan talaga, pre. This is a Pacific Macta that is angry, disappointed at themselves.
Oh, what? No! Justin, one hit delete kay Loy.
Justin, it's okay. Si Revenge din pala.
No.
Si Revenge din. Oh my God. Just don't peek, bro. Just don't peek at the smoke, bro.
Swear, man. You walk into Revenge's eyesight, into any part of his eye line, he's gonna delete you with one singular shot. Ngayon, si Rels, kung sino makabawi. Sniper player din ako, pare. Kaya din kitang patayin. Kaya abante si Rels dito. Walang katakot-takot. Dahan-dahan nga, pero walang katakot-takot. You have to feel the confidence now coming in for the side of Matches. They find one round, but it's not gonna be enough. Rels gonna be another casualty on the side of Matches here with Pacific Macta just holding on for dear life. Wala silang kailangan gawin. They play the clock. They play the map. And now Aldrin pushing on forward. It is gonna be a 2v4. You can feel the confidence in the air for the side of Pacific Macta. Si MC nakikita ni Aldrin. One more person down. Isa-isa silang nalalaglag. Isa-isa silang napapaslang sa side ng Matches. At titira na lang si Frey. He's gonna have to go and play for a miracle. But ZYK knows where he is. MP also showing up from below. Revenge on the other side. There's no escape. They're coming in from all sides. They're in the walls, pare. Revenge takes him down. And that's gonna be set point and series point para sa side ng Pacific Macta.
Well, Pacific Macta doing Pacific Macta things. Well, this is a mixed effort. Hindi ito yung one-sided na makikita mo na si Revenge or si NBA 20 kills. It's still a passive score for Pacific Macta. Wala lang talaga silang masyadong deaths. And now Pacific Macta is fighting it off here at mid.
No.
They now have Rat control as global riskmen. Wow.
We're getting so close.
Malapit na nga ba? O malayo na? Pero malayo pa ba ang Matches? Dalawa na lang ang buhay. Kumpara sa tatlo, isa na nga lang ang harang sa Pacific Macta ngayon. Si Frey ang ihahalay para maswerte ang taon ng PM dito sa laban na to. 10-1 map 3 ng Gara for Pacific Macta to finish it off and seal the deal para tapos na ang boxing. Ayan na ang kampana, pre. Wala na. GG's na.
Insane showing galing sa Pacific Macta. Yes, natalo sa sarili na ng map. But now, in the end, no, nilabot nila lahat. 100% ang lakas nila. 10-1 victory in the third set for this series. And a decisive one at that. You must respect the Kings.
And Pacific Makta have been absolutely just dismantling everyone from last year.